friends, welcome to E-Class. Myself Smita teacher. Students, open your maths textbook page number 32. New lesson we are going to start. Division. What is meant by division? Division means repeated subtraction. Did you remember the definition of multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition and division means repeated subtraction. How? We will see from this example. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chocolates. How many? 6 chocolates I have. I wanted to give 2 chocolates to one boy. 2 chocolates to one boy. Then how many boys will get chocolates? We will see. See, 2 chocolates to one boy. Then 6 minus 2. What is remain? 6 minus 2. Cut 6 minus 2. What is remain? 4. Now 4 minus 2. 2 only chocolate I am giving. 4 minus 2. 2. Now this 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. That means how many children will get chocolate? 1, 2, 3. 3 children will get chocolate. See here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 children will get 2 chocolates. So it is called as repeated subtraction. Why repeated subtraction? Which number I have subtracted each time? 2. I have done minus 2. 6 minus 2. 4 minus 2. 2 minus 2. So 2 only I have subtracted. So it is called as repeated subtraction. And this is the example of division. How? I did not put a division sign here. Which sign we use for division? This is the symbol we use for division. Then how to solve this example by division method? See, it is the symbol. Okay. Here inside put bigger number. We have 6. 6 and which another number? 2 chocolate I am giving to each boy. So smaller number write down here. Inside write down bigger number. Outside smaller number. Do you know 2's table? 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. What we want? 6 we want. 2's table we want to say till 6. Is there 6? Yes, it is there. At which place? 1, 2, 3. So 2 3s are 6. Then cut this 6 from this 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So 3 children will get 2 chocolates. Did you understand that? So it is called as division. And repeated subtraction means division. In both a way, answer is same, 3. See students, this is the example, this is the symbol we are going to use for division. But here some numbers we get after solving the example. For that number we have some names. Inside bigger number we write, it is called as dividend. You have to learn this spelling. Here divisor. Which table we say, that is called as divisor. Answer always here. So it is called as quotient. Last year it was there. And after subtraction what is remain, that is called as remainder. Okay, remainder. In this way you have to learn this spelling. See, now I will tell the example. Which example? 6 we have taken. 6 is divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. Just now I have explained this. Now tell me the numbers. What is dividend? From example, what is dividend here? Dividend is 6. See, dividend inside this 6. Okay. Now what is divisor? What is divisor here? 2. Quotient. What is quotient? Learn the spelling of these. Quotient is 3. 3 is only our answer. Okay. This is not our answer. Our answer is 3. Remainder. What is remainder in the example? Remainder is 0. In this way you have to learn the name of places. Open your textbook page number 32. First example. If 20 chocolates are divided equally between 5 children, how many does each child get? So you have to find how many chocolate each child will get. We will solve this example on blackboard. See, 20 chocolates we have. We wanted to give chocolates to 5 children. Okay, chocolates should get equally. They should get equal chocolates. Number of chocolates must be equal. So how to solve this example? 20 divided by 5. How to read this? 20 divided by 5. This symbol we use for division. Okay. To solve this example, we have to use this symbol. Okay. To solve the example, we have to use this symbol. What I have told, which is the bigger number in this? This is the bigger number, write down inside 20. This is smaller number, write down here. Now which table I have to say, 20 or 5? I have to say the table of 5. Do you know 5's table? Say then. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. What we want? 20. Is there 20? Yes, it is there here. At which place? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 write down here. 5 4s are 20. This 20 you have to cut from here. 20 minus 20, 0. Can you tell me the quotient remainder? What is here? Dividend is 20. Divisor 5. Quotient is only our answer. So it is word problem. We have to write by using therefore. Remainder 0 0. Okay. Now therefore answer. What is our question? How many does each child get? How many chocolate does each child get? How many chocolate he got? Each child will get 4 chocolates. It is word problem, so you have to write by using these 3 dots. 3 dots means therefore. Okay. See, second example from same page 32. If 21 flowers are divided equally between 7 children, 21 flowers into 7 children, how many flowers does each child get? You have to find the answer. Okay. See, 21 divided by 7. We will solve this example on blackboard. Second example is 21 flowers we wanted to distribute among 7 children. So here bigger number, here smaller number. Now 7's table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. Is there 21? 21 we want. Is there? Yes, it is there here. At which place? 1, 2, 3. So 7 3s is our answer. Okay. Now what is our question? In each example, I am not going to explain dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. You have to keep in mind. Understand the example, its places, and keep in mind. What is our question? How many flowers does each child get? Each child gets 3 flowers. Okay. In this way, you have to solve the example. Example number 3, we will see. Example number 3. Let us arrange 15 divided by 5 in the form of dots. There is another method of division. By using dots also we can find the answer. But it is so difficult if both numbers are bigger. Okay. So it is possible only for smaller number. As 5 is divisor, let us put 5 dots in one row. See, in this, which is the smaller number? 5. 5 is the divisor. So you have to arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots in one row. 5 dots over, then take next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then next. In this way, you have to arrange the dots. Find out how many rows are needed for 15 dots and how many rows are there. That is your answer. 15 divided by 5. We have to arrange the dots. Which dots we will arrange? 5, because 5 is divisor here, smaller number. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In one row 5, then take next row. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What number we have? 15. Till 15 we have to arrange. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 came, then stop there. How many rows I have got? 1, 2, see, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the answer of this example. But here 15, so we can solve in this way. Suppose I have given you this number. Can you solve? 315. You have to put 315 dots. So in this case, this is the best example to solve the example. Okay. Best method to solve the example. We are going to solve this example by using dots. See, 8 divided by 2. In one row, how many dots I have to put? 2. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now stop. 8. Okay. Then 8 divided by 2. Answer is, how many rows we got? 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 4 is the answer. 2 4s are 8. In this way, you have to solve 1, 2, 3 examples in your notebook. So students, we will see next page. Our new point is the interrelation between division and multiplication. Is there interrelation between division and multiplication? Yes, it is there. How? Suppose 8 divided by 2. Answer is 4. That means 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. We will see with examples. See how division and multiplications are interrelated. 7 multiplied by 5. 7 5s are 35. If I will divide 35 by which number, then I will get the answer of 5. Very easy. See, 35 is here, 5 is here. Then what is remain? 7 is remaining. 7 is answer. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Same way here, 35 is here. Which number I have to write here? Then I will get the answer. 7 is here, 5. 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. Okay. Here also you can find the answers very easily. 9 multiplied by 5 is equal to 45. 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45. Then which number I have to write here? See here, 45 is here, 9 is here, 5. That means 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. 9's table you have to say till 40. You have to say 9's table here. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got? You can say 9's table also. So now say 5's table till 45. 5 9s are 45. 9 is here. Otherwise, in short, 45 is here, 5 is here. What is remain? 9. That is here. In this way, you have to solve these two examples. So students, today's homework is you have to solve 1, 2, 3, 4 example and 1, 2, 3, 4 examples in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, stay healthy and study well.